In this video, you will completely learn the differences between tuple and list in Python. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. So let's start. In Python, both lists and tuples are used to store collections of items, but there are some important differences between them. The main differences between lists and tuples are: lists are mutable, meaning you can change the elements of the list after it is created. To modify a list, you can use methods such as append, remove, or pop. We can add members to the list with the append function. We can delete a member from the list by using the remove function. The code member in the list has been deleted. Using the pop function, we can delete a member in the list according to its index number. I deleted the member with index number 1. Note that the index number of the first member is 0. Tuples cannot be changed, that is, once you create a tuple, you cannot change its elements. Once a tuple is created, you can't add, remove, or modify items. There is a syntax difference between list and tuple. Lists are created using square brackets. Tuples are created using parentheses or even without parentheses. Using the type function, we can see whether the variable is a tuple or a list. There is a performance difference between list and tuple. Because of their variability, lists can consume more memory than definitions. This is because listings need to allocate extra space to accommodate potential future growth. Tuples are generally more memory efficient than lists, especially for read-only operations, because their size is fixed. There is a difference in the methods that can be used between a list and a tuple. Lists have more built-in methods than tuples due to their mutability. Methods such as append, extend, and remove are specific to lists. Tuples has fewer methods because they are immutable. Common tuple methods include count and index. With count, we can find out the number of occurrences of a member in the tuple list. With index, we can find out which index of the tuple a member is in. So when to use lists and tuples? Use lists when you have a collection of items that may need to be changed during program execution. For example, a list of tasks, usernames, or any dynamic dataset. Use tuples when you want to create an immutable, ordered collection. Tuples are often used for things like representing coordinates, database records, or any set of values that must remain constant throughout the program. In summary, if you need a collection of items that can change, use a list. If you need an immutable collection, use a tuple. The choice between them depends on the specific needs of your program. In this video, we learned the differences between tuple and list in Python. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.